Storm Team 3 weather with Tom Kiffin.
And welcome back to Local 3 News. Local 3 radar network. For the most part, we're dry across the UP. A couple of snow showers can't be ruled out tonight, but heavy rain from Michigan's Thumb, from Lexington to Croswell over towards Saginaw and Grand Rapids. Even some embedded thunder. But what we're watching here is a storm system getting itself together across the southwestern United States, and it is going to head this way as we go into Tuesday. Strong area of low pressure will be lifting into Iowa tomorrow night into Wednesday. On the colder side, where we will be tomorrow, we're going to see freezing rain, windy conditions, and then on the northwest side of this low, blizzard conditions, western Minnesota and the northern plains. But as this warm front lifts to the north here, we're going to get in on the warm sector for a little bit, but then this cold front crosses Wednesday night. Colder air returns, snow showers and windy conditions. Future weather here, a few snow showers, Marquette over towards Houghton. Doesn't add up to much, but as we head into your Tuesday, here comes the first wave of wintry precipitation. Going to see some snow, and then it's going to switch over to some sleet and freezing rain. And speaking of freezing rain, I'm expecting widespread freezing rain tomorrow night. Could see some rain showers tomorrow night towards Menominee, but you combine this with the wind, we could see some scattered power outages perhaps, so just be aware of that. As for travel, if the road crews are on top of it tomorrow night with the salt and treating the roads, your main road should be fine tomorrow night, but the back and secondary roads, we could be looking at difficult to perhaps very difficult travel. Any wintry precipitation changes over to rain showers on Wednesday as milder air moves on in, and then as colder air comes on back, we're looking at snow showers Wednesday night on in to the daytime on Thursday. As we look at our wind gusts here, really not looking at much in the way of wind as we go through the rest of the night, but then as we head into Tuesday, here comes your easterly wind here. That could gust over 30, maybe over 40 miles per hour. Tomorrow night, it's an east to southeast to east to northeasterly wind, and we could see some strong wind gusts in the Keweenaw Peninsula tomorrow night with gusts perhaps over 50, maybe over 60 or a little bit stronger. And then as we move you into Wednesday itself here, we'll keep the windy conditions going, but by the time we get to Wednesday night, it's going to be a colder wind, and we could see some wind gusts Wednesday night over 50 miles per hour, especially in the western UP and perhaps the Keweenaw Peninsula. As we look at the high wind warning, with the stronger wind gusts expected tomorrow night in the Keweenaw Peninsula, we do have a high wind warning that is in effect, and we could see some water come on shore on the eastern side of the Copper Country along the Keweenaw Bay side, and that's why there's a lakeshore flood advisory that's in effect for tomorrow night. And then a winter weather advisory for all of us for tomorrow night into early Wednesday morning, perhaps an inch or two of snow and maybe 1/10 to 2/10 of an inch of ice with that winter weather advisory. But out on the water, western Lake Superior, it's a storm force wind warning and then a gale force wind warning for the south central and eastern part of the lake. There's your temperatures right now in the 20s and 30s. All of the UP pretty much ends up around 20 or the 20s tonight. A few snow showers may fly around in and around the Marquette area, and also for Houghton and Hancock. 32 for Marquette tomorrow, 51 though on Wednesday, Escanaba and Gladstone. 35 for Tuesday, 54 Wednesday, and then for Iron Mountain we'll have 35 on Tuesday, but 54 on Wednesday. Then for Houghton and Hancock, 31 Tuesday, 45 Wednesday. Everybody turns colder on Thursday. Right now, Easter weekend, not looking bad at all.